what body contouring equipment would be a good start if I start with only one for a solo practice?
I'm torn between two. I don't like promoting brands because there's always like Coke and Pepsi. It's personal preference, right? Do you like Coke, Pepsi? Do you like Sprite? Like 7-Up? Do you like,
Oh,
Whole
just
Foods?
say it. Just say it.
Okay, so I would say the two top ones in the market. It used to be cold sculpting for years and years. Well, actually, before cold sculpting, it used to be energy-based devices that would use radio frequency to kind of shrink the fat. And there's a bazillion brands out there. Then it evolved to cold sculpting. Cold sculpting has a monopoly on body contouring, and they got acquired by Allergan for $2 billion. Great device. I did my chin. I made my double chin away. And now the latest and greatest in the last couple of years are devices that basically tone your tummy. What do I mean by that? Imagine you're a fitness model and you weigh 120 pounds. You look perfect, but for some reason you have a little pudge in your tummy. They just won't go away. No matter how many sit-ups you do, you got this pudge. Well, you sit there on this device. There's a million brands out there. The first one to market was called M-Sculpt. And now there's a zillion different brands out there where you sit there, you get hooked up to this technology. It's like this electronic stimulations. And it's the equivalent of doing a couple thousand sit-ups in one 30-minute session. You do a couple treatments, a couple weeks apart, and you've got toned abs. Now the devices are evolving where not only they tighten the tummy, but they alternate between doing some fat reduction, tummy toning, fat reduction, tummy toning. So I would say check those two types of technologies out, whether it's the Cool Sculpt Animal or the tummy toning devices. There's a variety of brands out there. That would be where I would go if I'm going to open up a med spa tomorrow and do just body contouring, which I love, by the way. I always recommend to people, if they're going to start a business and do one thing, to seriously consider body contouring, because I just think it's such a huge market. The margins are great. I'm a big believer in it. So